Assalamu alaikum, voice from the Gambia, voice from West Africa, voice from the smiling coast of the world. Here go, I am Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia, the Prince of Africa. As we said, we're born to represent the United States of Africa. Here go, African brothers who are in here and out there, heavily invested in the Gambia. Here go Gambian brother who left Gambia so many years and then he repatriated back to the Gambia, heavily invest in the Gambia, planted over 10 to 20 million trees, and then he's having big dream for the Gambia. Here go, well, before I go further, I'd love to extend my greetings to the viewers out there, England, Finland, Netherlands, Holland, Norway, Germany, Sweden, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea-Conakry, Ghana, Congo, Cameroon, Malawi, Burkina Faso. Right at the moment, before I go further, I would love to extend my greetings to Senegal, Dakar. I can't forget to bow and big up to the West African legend, which is Sadio Mane right at the moment. And we will move further to meet intelligent, smart farmer right in the Gambia. If you want to be a farmer, you want to join business, or you have been investing in the Gambia and your investment is falling right at the moment, he is the one that can give you advice to direct you to the right part of the business. So right at the moment, as we said, we are in Madiana, eh?
Yeah, Madiana.
We are Madiana. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Uncle, how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin.
Mashallah, nice to meet you.
Alhamdulillah, pleasure.
It's been like 3-4 years, isn't it?
Yes,
You've been
yes.
watching me.
Yes.
Your regards to the four corners of the world. Can you come closer?
Yes. Hello, everyone. Gambians inside Gambia and outside Gambia. My name is Baba Sedikan, commonly known as Baba Al-Mam Mariama. And my farm name is Al-Mariam Farm.
Al-Mariam?
Al-Mariam Farm.
Okay. Why Al-Mariam Farm?
Al-Mariam, my father is Al-Mami.
Okay.
His mother is Mariam.
Oh.
So I go through that Al-Mariam Farm.
Al-Mariam
Al-Mariam. Al-Mariam
Yes.
Farm.
Mashallah.
Many people today, they don't even know their grandmother and grandfather. So I don't want my family to forget about who we are, our roots.
The roots and the culture is very important.
Yes.
Well, before we go further, I want you to inspire the diasporas who left Africa, who left the Gambia for 20, 30, 40 years. They never come back to the motherland. They never invest back to the motherland. Why do you left America and you're back to the Gambia for agriculture?
Well, look, that's a good, excellent question. Personally, people are different, but the way I see it, you see, none of us leave your country to go to Western world and have this in your mind that I'll stay there for permanent. We all go there to look for something, and we say to our parents, our family members, we are coming back. Circumstances make other people to stay there. But personally, me, I knew in my mind since the day I left here that I'll be coming back to Gambia. Because no matter how educated, no matter how smart, no matter how much money I have in America, it's nothing to Americans. But here is something.
Can you say that again?
No matter how much money I have, how much education, experience, contribution I do in America, is nothing to Americans compared to what my country can gain out of me.
Out of you?
Yes.
And what you gain from America?
Yes.
Mashallah, that's a powerful message.
Yeah.
So that's what inspired you to establish farm in the Gambia?
What actually inspired me to build farm in the Gambia is, to me, I have seen that right now in the Gambia, most of us, when we live here, we go to Europe, after Europe we come back, all we want is to build big stores, building material,
Mansions.
Mansions like that. Lucky Child, before you sleep comfortable, you must eat.
Yes, that's right.
As we know, during our childhood, Gambia grow most of the things we eat. But today, it's sad. 80% of things we eat in the Gambia today, 80% is all from outside. One day in my compound, I saw a tea from Malaysia, a tea from, what's this place? Tamil Tigers, Sri Lanka. It's written there, Sri Lanka. Those are Tamil Tigers. Those people have been fighting for over 20 years. If they can get themselves together and make a tea with a leaf that we have here, we can't make that we are buying from them. So that means we are building those people's economy when we are destroying our economy. So many things makes me to come home, but I want to come home to play my part in the development of the Gambia.
As a citizen.
As a citizen. I'm a dual citizen. I have citizenship in America. You know, I can fly at any time, but I want to come here and play my part. I want to stay here and play my part.
Do you believe agriculture is the backbone and the oxygen of Africa?
It should be, and it has to be, if we want to advance in this war. It should be, because look at the war in Ukraine. When Ukraine war started, okay, bread went up here. Why?
Rice go up.
Ukraine is only 39 million. If Ukraine can supply almost 1/4 of the world through grain, and we can grow that here, what are we doing? We don't have any war here. We don't have any problem here.
No violence.
Yeah.
Only peace.
Yeah.
Peace.
Yeah. That's my farm manager.
Yes, the farm manager.
Yes. Before you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dunia tonkon nano be jube kang isa dunia tonkon nano konton no. Ando ye fem follow formule fanang ini la onkulo ba doko la nyaadi le jang.
Okay, na baskulo den
Basa okay no le.
Wala
Benzo. Benzo ni.
Na benzo no.
Ka famo la penso.
Oro Mercedes Benz no.
Alka delivery ke ni na.
Nyina almaram pam la benzo di. Anyway abitaje. Nyina jam fo kato.
Wow. Tonkon nano be jube kan dunia to.
Mbad.
So ala kata ko album ke kan Gambia. An album ke kan banko e fanan. Ngole moy dal. Den yana tal dan tan ni wole ngulin na kana kal jube. E fanay mo fo soto pour ka ko dunia mo le mo
Alhamdulillah. Ba banko mol kontona. Ba kambe tonkon nano be kontona. Be tendula be jayila. Min kera na Boston na keba no Boston dan
na associate
kera na Father Fondi. Yeah.
Is your son?
Bio kay mama banyi Father Karon.
Yes.
Ba kontona ba tendula ba jayi ala kataku ni maka. Was be nyon siata bankoka. Konin kelu mbada harabat.
Afana nyon man siya munuli tu.
Anyo na siya banko jang kambe jang. Anyo man siya to ba dum kol kono African Gambia du mel ko ba tubaw du e murun tanang ina te bayn do ko la jang anyo mansia dos meran ka anyo mansia aji wende alhamdulillah bi nga jang do ko commencé nga ala tendu nga banko dum be tendu do sa bayn do ko min jang amanke adam mala interest amanke adam mala nafati o jama la nafa anin da fon min kuma ke da fon min fan ka me bule jam fonde dos kunol kanale yemin yeta mol kanale batambi kam assalamu alaikum dadin so le munol okay dunna
Musa kati
ay kata adi
akati
amanke kilinda amanke fulet
yes
kilen tile mot
ma ko ro la ko
ko continuously e fidde la mot so mbaten dulam ba jaylo kan
mashallah
yes
thank you very much ya
Mbe kukile la fala je Gambia di wol membe abroad diaspora pour yamoy about garden ni ala ñol okay problem mo do li asure yemo ke la garden ya expect ko ka jo 5000 or 6000 ya mi da ko la akanyantal o bi kam mo sambano jam
abgo mo samanol
no nde alaji nga jo menna ate alon alhamdulillah bar wo nyaw nyarande nga jayelay nga garden do yelay jam
ko man do jam
ko ma jam nga pipe kay nga pompo kay
ne nyande tala lolo no wol fa kono na jabo kadi no ni na nyambo
ya iba jelale
I will take it and put it in the overlay inshallah
so ala jabol be jam ala nyamba few be jam nyamba fe bala babulu jam ala musoye kuchake jam wala ba ma koy nola isaje aka ndekana na interest don jibe fama jama be je wala mo biggest problem
they don't help
no ila molu itol wol kado ko men ke itol interest taw donnela and wote mo samba no bi Gambia na to nya fo nyoy nye mota famina abula fana fenke ya so symbol isaje asi sawarno ite fana si sawarno I read a book 50-50 that means o buko kam men fo wala nyinde ko ini momo no nimbe kokuru ninkala ala interest jibe yela interest jibe wala mu business la ibaji la wo ni tate la e casino comfortable.
That's right.
Yeah.
wonde ngala $10
Baked, yeah?
ngala $10 baki ngala $10.
Mashallah.
Ngala
So do you
$10
believe in this
ngala
word?
$10 sam.
That will be the last word before we move further. And then you take us around and show us everything that's available in the farm. Do you believe in this word? Grow what you eat and eat what you grow.
Most definitely. The reason why I believe in that, an example, God forbid, if there is a war in Middle East today, okay, they close the that place called? There's a place that through Iran where a lot of ships goes. What are we going to do here?
You will be dying from hunger.
Rice. Everybody eat rice here.
Yeah,
If
definitely.
we don't grow it here, flour is not here. So, LMB, the best weapon for Western world through Africa will be food. Nien chocolate rapan. And the manya nakala because ntole lunch to told.
Definitely, to be frank.
Niaje balafa ntola sisi okabana Sweden, akabana Holland. Wol me snow beje foka bunya lelo ka poultry kaje. Ndola ja inya ajel. Jarta bunyan lo. We must grow what we eat.
And eat what we grow.
Yeah.
So muna be la farm all together like ye munne soto jang.
Jang alhamdulillah rabbil alamin biringaje ko fam nyi ntela ftala warola nyami amanke wo nyama nara muneke ngada di lemuno le folola
We go, okay.
ngada di lemuno le folola lemuno almost 250 300 beja varieties, different varieties.
Different varieties.
Yes.
Okay.
Obaraje mbewo ke kan sa wol menta nara muneke ndunta kuy folto
These quips.
ñing kuy fol kay ne fo kuy folu
Okay.
seedlings.
The seedlings.
Them not seedlings. Seedling sold young, I have 7,000.
This other side.
Young and in and in member come. 7,000.
Okay.
Okay? Now, the plan is.
Can we go in?
Yeah, you can go in.
Can we go in?
Yeah.
Must take that later.
Yeah.
So you can
So, na plan me munyenti, wala 25,000 the men kala science. New cola, we are going to do 25,000
after this.
after this. 25,000.
Including the 7,000.
No. That's not included.
Okay.
We are going to do 25,000 lemon seedlings. We are going to do 15,000 mangoes, and we are going to do 10,000 malina trees.
What be for Gambia?
That's nothing. Gambia needs far more than that, because our group, I'm in two groups in the Gambia here. What we buy from Senegal, if I say the number, many people will think that we are liars. Imagine how many farmers. Even this year alone, I supervise 7 farms. Some of those farms buy more than 500 of these
500 of these
seedlings. Myself, my farm in Nyomi, I bought 1,500 before. So imagine how many people like me.
So what are your future targets? Like how many trees do you want to build in the future?
Well, this year coming, my target is 50,000.
50,000.
Yes. But after that 50,000, if I have a bigger space, I can go even up to 100,000.
100,000 trees
Yes.
that you will be harvested by yourself.
No,
Different from the one that you're going to sell to the people.
100,000 trees that I will sell to the community, so we Gambian don't have to go to Casamas. Because when we go to Casamas during the rainy season, they welcome us at the border. Very nice.
Yes.
But when we get in, we bought 200, 100, 500. We come with our truck. There at the border, they change completely. It's like, I don't know how to say it. Yeah, they change completely. Because at that time, we already have our seats. We have no choice, and whatever amount they charge us, even though they should not charge us, they will charge us. We have to buy that. We have to pay it. Otherwise,
You buy through safer.
or no. What I'm saying, when you buy from their farmers, you come through the border. Now you're about to get into Gambia. The Senegalese securities will hold you and overcharge and charge you again. Because they now know that you have your seedlings
Yeah.
Okay, and it cannot stay it cannot stay there 2 days, 3 days. It's
will
going
die.
to die.
Yeah.
So you will be forced to
And
pay
you don't
any
want to
amount.
You don't want to lose of the money that you spend to buy.
Exactly.
Yes.
And the second thing is, why do we have to build their economy and starve our economy here? Why do we have to employ them and unemploy our youths here, ourselves here?
Meaning our economy is going back out.
Yes.
And then the youth are lack of job.
Everybody, not even the youth. Everybody. We are all out of. That's why last year, I think last year or year before last, Gambia bought 120 million from Senegal. Senegal only buy from us less than 25 million. People are saying their money, what is it called?
Safer.
The safer is rising up. Yeah, it's going
And
to
the
rise up
currency is
because
going down.
1 to 5. When we buy from them over 220 million, they buy from us 25 million.
25 million. Wow. So why do you put a lot of water in here and then leave it like that?
Okay, my farm manager and my son, I connect them here.
Okay.
I connect them here. So where I connect them, they're supposed to connect. You see, they're supposed to connect behind here. So when I close these,
Okay.
it's going to stop.
Yes.
But they did it here. Yeah, okay. But I'm going to change that. My plumber went to my village, Jara Kanikunda. He's coming.
Yeah, Jaran.
Yeah. Tell me Jaran Kolde.
Kiankol we jibe ani mbadi mun ko
Yeah.
Jaran ko hay na.
Yeah.
Ngoy Jaran ko jël.
Ah.
Atal ba camera ko ma.
Okay. Okay.
So
this,
big up to Musa, you know
this
Musa.
is drip irrigation.
Yes.
I'm telling you, this garden, this full garden, even a 5-year-old boy can water it in 1 hour.
In 1 hour.
Yeah.
What are your challenges since you start agriculture up to day today?
I have a lot of challenges, but I'm happy about those challenges because where there is no challenges, there is no growth. Gambenol ka bori menna ka foko bari yalum a koleata dawdan din nyaato tatiji nyaaji america diata nya wala sal itol ka jibele men kolea bata yeddu woto kodo be wolto
Mun ko lada back.
ha
But I feel like agriculture is for the poor people. Agriculture, ni man son karangola, ibita labana agriculture because far do ko le. Do you get to believe that it's a poor man work?
well ngawole moy naal falla because nunto ka mennu karandi wala be ka agriculture ke jang but nita la dunia dawdan din sign western world even east africa karanal le mu agriculture
Minister ni ambassador from Bara.
Nyaji be Nigeria ila former about Sanjo, the biggest farm in Nigeria. I will tell you, it's among the biggest farm. Obasanjo.
Obasanjo.
Ha,
He was
president, ex-president.
president.
Ha, you know, so neither anywhere. Look at Asian, East Africa now, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda,
Ghana.
So new world, the more be college, the more agriculture that. But most of them, they are happy because they found the farmland castle.
Why this mango?
The mango, mango farang, abete nyamente. Kaje, nilam birin nada, serum.
Yeah.
Même malta minyina. Ngaje, e kawlel sa. Ke bonina Casamance.
Ke dinin Gambia.
Ke dunina Gambia. Ani ke sang, ninga fo ete believe la. Ke menin talul, ke me fula.
This one.
Ha.
Come Clinton thing.
Ha.
So likely them no bijan dutol bijan with different varieties.
Yes.
So any more of them no like 10,000 seedlings or 20,000 seedlings we are provided as a neighbor.
Ha.
As a sort no level.
Asisoto no. Karin dalajan 7,000 na beja.
Ah.
Nka funyolu, nka funyolu so men ye 15,000 so.
Yana linka for as a keno. Those book no le. Ya fa in 3 months les asuno, in 4 months les asuno.
Yes.
Like I about process on you from Kenya.
Ha.
So ran nanke yin kan mo lafta lemnola. Ako ko 10,000 or 20,000 to 30,000 do la for wala.
Ha.
It's a provider.
It's our provide no.
So right now investors are watching us. The whole world is watching us.
Yeah.
And people are there who are ready to invest when it comes to agriculture.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make a joining hand with the investors out there, because there are people with their $1 million, we are $1 million pounds. So they want to come back to Africa to make Africa to be great. Do you want to have a joint business with the viewers out there?
Yeah, anybody ready? I'm always ready. I'm always ready. Anybody ready? You know, I'm ever ready.
Yeah.
You know, if anybody wants to come, for we to put our hands together. In fact, I've been advocating that to Gambians even when I was in America. Mo kilimbika kukeno. Niaje inandara sula bitiko to le mo kilintara je.
Nambuka sula kilintara.
Inandara Libanese sula kilintara.
No.
Imuta mo kilintara je.
No.
So why intendite ni Mariama ni Peter to join no langa court
As a Gambian.
as a Gambian? Because lucky, the more joint,
Yeah.
the more joint, the better for all of us, the better for the nation. The more joint, the better for all of us, the better for the nation. Why? Okay, if we have a project like 5 million,
5 million.
as you can take it into account.
Yes, of course.
Okay, but ninga mo luru shodo, each 1 million, 1 million.
Ako mo lemo.
Yeah?
Okay.
1 million, 1 million. Omanke 5 million.
5 million. Yeah.
Okay? I feel like easy that.
And this also.
Huh?
Is that orange?
Yeah, these are all grafted. Ñul be grafted. Ñul be mu different variety le. Nga ponga soro jande nga tanzelo soro jande nga different one on soro jande.
Different.
Ha.
So like most of the outside.
Yeah.
Kana purukela farm or visit. Puka kana atol fanambulu. Are you ready to share your knowledge with the?
Lucky even yesterday, more than Italy in Araja. Last week, Scotland. Every time more than different part, different America, all the time. I mean, take a more trainer. Okay, just to let you know.
I'll drop his number in case
Yeah,
you want to talk to him.
I
on
do the
WhatsApp.
training here free for Gambians. Every Tuesday and every Saturday, free training.
Free trading.
All I want is kajeko. Gambe di fana ye wuli ngokuke.
So what about this one?
Ndi mamenta midate. Atele nyinke. Ni mu technology le whereby
Ngaje Chinese one.
ha ni mu fongolti parato. Ndi male nyinke set. Yaje nka jibon. So ninyi muta kino ka warale ko mona fe.
Yes.
Okay, dolu ya iba fala ibela show kono nadula man fan. Ibe nyin tanke no la dula anywhere show kono.
Yes, definitely.
Yajele. So nyin tanke show kono. Can you imagine? Ibe harvest la down and the over boat fallen.
Straightforward.
And the good thing is, it's a kalado man need a family.
Tabiri ni wati kabi.
Nali ya that nina, ali harvesting daddy. Ni ubanda. Okay? Ya that nina. Yen do feel correct. Ninja bo member ko la. In 2 months time nina ra janjambe be kan jambe.
Pay too. Mashallah. I love this other side. Ikalem no soto, yebana no soto.
Yeah.
And then ye duto soto.
Yeah.
And ye fenko fana soto. What is this?
Malaina.
Malaina tree. So
Okay,
ni mo la kala tree la fana available in the comment.
Nyim malaina mba wa Africa ne nyimu sample le.
Aha.
Nyim malaina fulo membe janteng ibe mu malaina musolti. Ibe ka dinni.
Ibeka dinne.
Yalo yiro e musoso ra kewsa.
Yes, that's right.
Okay? So nyim malaina serung ma ko sharan kunna because mbana America wato men ko sharan kunna. Yajele mbe into many project lega nka kurra wa fo fana nga gadi no wa fi mo nka mo la gadi no topoto so be tatan kunna man focus no bari nyin sama men kana te nyimala na sisi no men kana I plan ning alake I'm going to do over 10,000 of this.
10,000, yeah? Left that subscriber. Ala be somewhere. Yes.
Yeah.
Cameraman bang alal kan na ko time on.
Okay, ngara. Yeah, wala nang fana ka po.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here is the mouth of the part 2, yeah?
Yeah.
Here is part 1 and then we are in part 2.
Yes.
Wow. So jang part 2 ye da fengol le blajang why?
No bro level again because my space is limited and I want to maximize it. I want to make sure that multi garden jeko. It's not only about the size.
The size.
Okay. Yalan bro le nyim ko don. Lemunol man bro tora, bro man lemunol tora. Kamol man bro tora, Sisel man bro tora.
Yes, of course. Ibeba nyoka.
Yeah. Mixed farming. That's what they call mixed farming.
Mixed farming.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. So this is the way your farm is.
Yeah. Yes.
For how long you are doing agriculture?
Agriculture in Mbafala. I was born in agriculture, but I traveled to America for. I've been there for a long time. When I came back, I'm in this country, 1 year, 5 months.
In the country?
Yes.
But you started well before you left America?
Yes. I bought it.
So
I
you are-
bought. This farm is 7 years.
7 years?
Yes.
That's what I'm asking. So you are into agriculture for 7 years?
Yes.
So you started together with the birds down? Or you
No. I started with only the trees.
only trees?
Only the trees.
Okay.
Then after, when I came, I started the birds.
So why nursery plants between the...
The nursery too, I start when I came.
How do you get the idea of nurseries?
Lucky child, I'm not a student like my son Suleiman Sedikan,
Yes.
but I try to study a lot on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yes, for the wife, I don't know about because B, you have to information.
Yes.
About YouTube.
Uncle YouTube.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, Kabul later in the fast before time over there.
Jali la bongoldi.
No, I don't need Bundi. For Gambia, you don't need thousands of dollars to make it.
Oh,
Most.
Oh,
Yeah.
So nice.
so nice.
Yeah. Nah, that is again. Nyimbundi. Nah, that is Nyimbundi one.
Yeah.
Sama menka mi member kan 35 ni wala dunta.
Last year.
Yes. Ni manka in sama menka mi member kan. Yeah, 35 ni wala dunta.
Year before last.
Yeah,
Year
year
before
before
last.
last. 35 ni wala dunta. Ameda o 35 for ton to siada ngabungo lo kono to jam.
Wala yin.
O bungo membe kono to.
Yes, I'm
After
seeing it.
ila cameraman o stage. Iman kuwodo ngai bumbalo. Iman kuwodo nga bumbalo koma. So 35 turned to over 1,000 in 1.5 years.
Just 1.5 years.
Yes.
How do you get this inspiration? From
In-
Google or YouTube?
No, I got it because I want Gambia to be somebody. Gambia fananyanta proud la fennal. If a Ugandan lady can do it in 3.5 years and have 1 million, what about Gambians?
The same thing?
Yeah,
Like
the same.
this?
The
With
same.
35?
No,
With-
I start with 35.
Okay. She start with 15.
She start with 50. 50.
50 pieces.
Yes. But she has more resources than me because she has a lot of big incubators. But I don't have incubator. But
Yeah, naturally.
that should not stop me from doing the best. Like the
For
challenges
Gambia.
you asked me before, that's part of the challenges. But what do you do with challenges? You hit on, Niman Dunno, you dig the hole, Nima Okeno, Yaladata. I believe in that. Problem. It can solve all of them.
Yes. That's
Ningala indema, na incubator so member there. I can go to 10,000 in 2 years. If I have an incubator,
Yeah.
that can take like because Najan I eggs a month, ngata for 500,
500.
you know. So if I have an incubator that is like 2,000, I can raise these ducks
Yeah.
to almost 10,000 in 2 years.
The smallest one.
No, when I say the dogs,
Yeah.
nyulmu middle kindergarten le jam.
Yeah, kindergarten. Okay.
Nursery be konoto.
Nursery. Yes.
Yes. High school wol be band.
Walla babanda. Wall graduate le.
Wol graduate. E man nañi ñomi kam ñomi jaran koje o be ku ka ñomi ko be sirinja. Adamu jaran koje ñomi ko be sirinja.
Salaam ya diadal de. What this how many thousands liter of water?
5,000.
So if you like I didn't pay water 5,000 liters.
Yes.
How many hectare it is? The size of the land?
1 acre 100 by 80.
100 by 80.
Yes.
That's 1 hectare.
Yeah. But it may okay. Na solar le sembo soto. Because the solar I bought is very big. I have 4 panels of solar.
Okay.
Each panel is 420 watts, and which is 1,680. Yes. I mean, performance very powerful.
Down, maximum engineering grammar.
Yes.
So, Sai, I'm thinking of like, how do you get the idea like, banana bija, kapkayal bija, you did mix no something, just like, how do you get the idea?
Na idea sort of because na for nyamente. Yeah, I grew up
You blow a camera.
No. Well, na idea should be men now. All I'm going to go. The farmer move gardener. More belalo. Yeah.
Yellow wall.
Al Mariam. Yeah. Al Mam Mariam. Ikafa Al Mam Mariam.
Almam.
Jol kuluta num kuluta daminto ala gardener to wulo kono. Nintu babu fengo bele beti. And in another time for America for years.
Yes.
Not many states. No Mali.
It wasn't state Mali in America.
Maryland. Na couple of state Mali.
Okay.
Maryland. And in Virginia.
Virginia.
And in DC. Maryland, Virginia.
They are all grow up already. Yeah.
Yeah.
So why this?
Okay. You must see the solar. Mbarinde wala ngani program le mbarinde wala nyinte dubon koto nyanta watlet now but because abe dubon koto wala na man se boso bar man koronto e bina kan sama kono e be fenkala
They will all rise up.
they will all rise up.
Is that a lime coil?
Lemon coil yes lemon coil
And this one?
nyimu tanzelol
So if you mix no nyam lemon coil nyimu coil. It is good for the
yes
transportation.
yeah so ma jara ko nata boholo to pour gemda dingol ka problème so jikola
Giocola. What a issue.
a finde dal okay ni boholo wari mo ma boholo ma ka be America a tela boholo ni amam power so because ala ni a kanyim pipe dingol yaje
Yes.
ni pipe wala nyanda je salendila bari men nyanda je jindila o nyanda kala pipe bal yaje mbari no mu plumbal is an expert in plumbing
Yeah.
okay I met akono back another boss met akono over 30 years
Abaka.
ati fara met akono back so ni boholo is 6 inches boholo
6 inches, yeah?
6 inches lebe dumaja
The size.
yeah ni boholo can pump 20-30,000 gallons a day.
Yeah?
Yes. Wala ndi nanka more supply no garden dol supply no.
Eka jio di lela.
Nga jedi la pour que funding ke ol makoy. Ali nga ñoo makoy.
Nyanda nyo mako lela. Do Gambia fango nyanda nyo mako lela.
Yes. Nana rasola fana na karola. So ni funding ke momra nimbe diaspora lafta boholo kende mala si kumandi nol. Pour ñe makoy because na mol ka boholo si ka ko be ke. Bari ñi sola ñi 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala ba nyum be samba kam because ñi sambo men soto. Ñi sola each panel is 420 watts. Yeah, 420 watts. Andu men install Angleterre.
Okay, yes, and now
Mole sanang abenna association o kono pour ka fasa na sanam jaza no America but ya sanne already abigan gambe biya fonsi no fasa
What's the new fasa?
nte asangma wala jam and the is 27 years warranty guarantee
Come out of problems on the for 27
years for the year femboyaka
Oh.
ha
So you never a guide no base up like only this
base of like because this is 1,680 watts.
So koni mo ni solar da boholo la for agriculture.
Isim kumandino nge makwe.
Ideal dile la. Kana bula bohol drillal da mal bulu.
Yeah.
Ya fo ba kle.
No.
If you have the idea, you have the skills. Then
No, ndala ko jamala gari no me anan ko yebolo siye abike na fa. This year wala na man focus no ja. Garden almost 7 to 8 lebe mbulu nka supervise. Now do we get away garden no me fenga over 5 million I work garden no. Hari bulu ba bika so be.
5 million government dollars.
Hari bulu ba bika so be.
But I believe
Yeah.
He's now making out of it.
He's starting.
Is that lime or mandarin?
Mandarino le munyindi. Barinyanda kadla waru na makadi waru so a jesusu is coming back.
Jesusu Cameroon di ba fon.
Then it will come back. Yeah.
Okay, Jiole Murunda.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. And bolo
Very
na kuma
nice.
kilim fana fula bolo.
Yes.
Gambe di wala momo ni be diaspora ni be boholo sinna ala tanko kana kenoti. ne woni ameda nyaw nyarandi abe jilan yaka concrete ko
It's the best of it, huh?
ha ngande o ken na gari no to le membe nyomi ay problem mo soto 5000 liter bika ken o ne o kam na be kala uta be kala ne ballet andu mo jama bika afford no
Yeah, that's true. That's right.
yeah kana
Zero dia batale.
yeah
Mashallah. Wow, jambe mu ni nursery plan so.
wa wala nan ka ni nursery American na di no American me ya no no badi wala jambe book nyimbe mu lemon coil la
Yes.
na grafta lemon coil la
Baro.
ha
Yes.
ni lemon coil adol sambala gadi no pour afana pour fodat bar jandi nyulbe menna debe kala soblala anbe kala dol sanay mol but na hamuma menti because in next 5 years after be silent o batara ala ngi grota you know
After a level auto.
yeah
Mashallah. Aljamal bi jambal ko man lale muruna ani munul fana ba pakop kan ani munul yalon ko iba domande plan kan ne pour ka muruna because iba invest kan ne iba lanol sankang iba fencing ke iba boholo sinkang iba katakan nangkan sa tol fana ba funtana filo ko no right at the moment. So we said let's join hands together to build Africa, to build the Gambia to the higher level. Udu do lo zafra no jefo.
yeah sufula no du tol yeah
Mandari no do je. Once put je ngomi ngota ni na mollo. Awatenne.
yeah
Yes.
ngara du tol
All right.
jaglo
Hindi mo le munol le.
ah
Uncle, so I
No,
thinking
nga-
of, I'm thinking of in future purka orange juice de la country kono ja.
yeah no we my organization no set up ka me alon containing some of my few partners in near future
In near future.
okay
Yes.
amanke science bebe contribute la mbita China be masimu sanna amanke tol drone pour nga small from ikafnya a company create
Yeah.
whereby ka lemon process ye lemna kumung ani lemna dima
Yes.
okay comme jina yala la jam fon ko factory do
Yeah, factory.
la fa factory la
Yes.
ha amanke big one
Abeka na
because
so wonjo jele wo kuja.
ha
It's not a waste product. Juice
yeah
ka bo akono.
yeah
Sito.
iba fala
Juice ka bol yele.
Yeah,
Le
go.
mo fango mun juice leti. Yenyi fen ko jele. Nyim indigenous lo ka ko mani nyale.
yeah
Ko sito.
ko sito
Sural ka ko solom.
yeah
Ha, jolal ka ko kuparanga.
ko paranga le wala
Ko paranga.
fon yes
Yenyi je.
ibe na club la ne jula sama
De ka mo mele bo.
no nga mo la bara bara ko wallahi
Kuparanga.
yeah
So ñilen ko paranga ki
Yes.
bajale ko ben ko
Yeah.
ñinul fongo ba filikande
yeah andi meyo ke ngambon na yale to
One day, yeah.
yale nte keno la westanti ndemu jaran ko ronet mu gembe di ronet nin ko mbe bala ni
Jara yato.
chesle
Ah.
mbe fanka chesle ati keno la
wala e fam bondi jara yato yef la fake fanke foñin ko
Yeah,
taw bari
no
atita no
ni e kanule
Ah.
bar mu menti nyanta kala wolti nyan na puoto
yes right
ndal isafa mu local wolti bar that's who I am
definitely to
yeah I'm a Gambian and I'm proud to be a Gambian
so what would be your advice to the diasporas out there to come back home
na baadi ngol katun tol beele mo kelenti fana mben nunje for years ndati même fono Gambia di ngol e momron dimbe bola Gambia jay kata nyinindiro la na hamo mo nyinati ngata nyinindiro ngana murna aketa condition o kamala do la family situation itinano okay itinano sign asike ibina later bante be men folo wala mo nyindo alinga ko ma mira nkana nyina yala nkana nyina yala nimmenu si sayno nan alna aliya start alkana na dron kasai ala start kantol sifal call nga planol diella ngal makoy 2-3 years janni binanya bari membe bedala Gambia to wala nyinti ko menu sita sayoma wala sayna menu na kuda menu da kuda wala taraji
mun ni la londo bi je
ha ye nanan ya invest jam ma fo mo be say ban nyaaji be diaspora because an example to la America dol be je wala be batarim bakale bay la obata nyaw nyarani ko ni niw men bebulu niya invest jam e be live la like paradise conte de be free house I'm very happy.
You are very happy in your garden.
No, Lady Gani. I'm very happy in Nasuakono, Gambia Jang, Nagadi Noto. I'm in Firdaus every day.
The Gambia itself is free house.
Because, ma'am, Every day ningalla become bill.
You don't think of bill.
There is no bill on my head. Europe, America today, what is killing many of them will stay there for next 10, 20 years, 40 years, 50 years because they can mention a better kata. Wala nang ka for Gambia mole jang ka jele. Ka nela badi ngo komandi na be America or Europe on the 25th to the 5th of the following month. What will musul jamani Kenya ko kuya because of bills.
To abudu kono.
Yo moni jere kan na mute.
Ite mute la. So this is the idea of it. Abe mum advice on the mumbat nala ka yard develop rek kam yard da because of ntol sita la fanga mira kom Africa is poor. That is the mindset we have.
Poor.
But Africa is the heart of the world.
Yeah.
Africa is the oxygen of the world.
Yeah.
Africa is feeding the world.
Yeah.
But now we are depending in the west side of the world. What would be your advice? Your advice, your powerful advice to the young ones who are trying to take off this rough way, the dangerous way, to see themselves in west side of the world, back way.
Okay. Bi Allah jang dia mo kolea.
Sorry.
Cause you can turn for moyenne na ma te favor aka give us an enemy. But tonya back way be till on the motion yes later. Because munemu nunto back way and be back way mankele. Mankele nunto back way eka time wota silo kan but assurance be je ko ibe dunna. But be back way assurance be je pour be dunna is less than 50%. And moreover, near muta.
7 days. Say I told her 7 days the casualty.
Well, 7 days. Okay, 7 days fine. But was 7 days so economy. Now man can Gambia. You can't have mentally main 7 days beje. Amansia.
So the Gambia.
Usually Gambia amansia. Wana ni mutaneno ni mfongol. Hadin the madi anaja. Koda do velaja. Over 20, 40 of them le botana Guinea ni Senegal bebeji. It are mutale. So if it are men a back way, people like me, okay, Al Mariam Farm, you see teach how to make it here, ni sontam. May teach an example, need a back way, how long it takes you to get papers? 3 years, 4 years.
3 years, okay.
Okay, I can teach you how to make 1 million in 2 years. Al Mariam Farm.
Before you get your documents, before you get your papers in Italy or Germany,
anyway,
it will be 3 or 4 years before you grab your papers.
Okay.
But if you teach somebody how to grab 2 to 3 million within 1 year, you will make it.
Yeah.
Can you share that
I'm
idea?
not saying, you see more karandino, jam, ngamelon sign. Alala de marodo. Momo ni lafza bakwe amanta bakwe sonta ma kodo men babu. If the person are marrying, as he pull almost 30, maybe 20 to 30,000.
Yeah.
Besides $10, how to make 1 million in 1.5 years?
Now 30,000 body or 15,000. You
Yeah.
can show him the way.
How to make 1 million
Within a year?
No, not a year. 1.5 year.
I get you.
Sandy cleaning to.
Nye fahamole.
See Marco no.
Ninga 15,000 kamana.
Net 30,000 samana. Not 15,000. Because even men invest la. Even men invest la.
Our time la.
A man can tell even take jola mena. But even family men san na inyanta kodo make la nyame. You see teach no la. Mo wara ulan na rajang ila kita ba ku. Mo siadal but
Yeah. So ko nyali. Wow. So this is very amusing. Uncle, so you want to
ya je bro ke ku je nyame. Kana du so ti sin. Ila.
Ika bwendile.
Akabo indi.
Transport.
Mina
It's all part of agriculture now.
Ha.
Yes.
Yalan kome ka yenyi ni ka men ka challenge men so nyimbe is all part of challenge. But mina sama ningala ndeva mena la men nyimbe da.
Even I be londi la.
Be londi la. On the farm manager ba be londi.
So why these orange downs if you don't pick them up? Are they
Nan yin
not
kadle fombarat.
Are they not good for juice?
Yeah, they are good. Na kadle fombarat. Sinya na nimba kadeka.
Ala ulu
Be kadeka be jannu kadeka. Daba mo dinno la kam mako. Mina kadla. Yala niaje jaw yala fengo man siya.
Nah.
Ha.
But now was sharing.
Ibi ka wori.
You go worry.
Ani.
There are too much of orange down.
Mina you are going to mine basically.
Yes.
Mine basically. You ala. ila ganga rawo
Yes.
lemna
Wole ma fen ko
Okay.
daga da fulti
Yeah.
you know
North region.
North region do and wo fen ko mandarin fen ko na mo wala jara fa mo mi la mandarin do
asiba dol be jande ba wol bantala wala sa
yes do fa mo jara wala
yeah in 3 months time ni na da jam ite nyum believe la in 3 months time
du ko ba tamila ñi lebulo la
e beti futalate gan bine graph la comme en kamen foy you know alla jan diamo colère
aha
but in kamen foy kamo karandi to make 1 million it's very easy na mari son at the capital on entala kara back way because I'm back way 70,000 it was 40,000 before
Yeah.
now you are raised to 70,000 but 30,000 or something nge ma koy ngai tan bila ma fo ya dindala and
So
sama
you
be wallet because each is
Most right.
200 ninga graft
Yes.
ha ninga graft each is 200
so
Yes.
times by 1000 ni mo la fala 1000 si
1000 times 200
that will be
Most.
I think 2 million
no to make 1 million you need 5,000
you need 5000
yes
okay what about if you pull 15,000 how much it will
and
be
memen 1,000 or 5,000 of these
Ah.
ni lemon koy seedlings 5,000
5,000.
wala be 1 million dile
what about 1 million liter
ha but to get that 5,000 you to invest is roughly anywhere from 20 to 30,000 for bad talaba
no ñu sa multiply dan yaje mun tata bagwe dan naka fa mun da fa kay to so fa la 70,000 no senda famma
eh
o bata la ñing we 70,000 I multiply the 4 to 5 to 6 10 times
okay yaje so near keno 1 year yeah even half a million na make next year be jël la kala because by then you be capital also run
yeah say ba kala la billion
that's it nothing new do be ji that to follow in video but this year another group wa team wala sono football team wala babula kamen no makoy ngana lafta o sifa la ni serida 100,000 of these adora keka 100,000 adora keka
abole ke ka dinto
ha
no be jarradu
and because Gambia kamen san Casamance ma o ka sia 100,000 dile
it's too much every
so
year
janni be boto malle bita Casamance na be jandu
we can support each other so ñoo balon le
yeah
all this is avocado
yeah ñulbe ma avocado le
so ne mun la fala afen la do akiko la
ha iba asoro la yeah ñun do mu biya bolti biya ba dim bala mu ñi
no
ha ñun biya ba dim bala mu na din amamme din din do la
ko da
rek
tayru la funko to afana jab nak jabantim ba e tayru
ñu ne wa
wala ñint ya
ha
way very big
okay ñun le mu no kay kandi la ñun le mu no kaddi ne continuously mu ne okay drip irrigation men beja
ya lemnol be jang lemnol dingol
daje ñen na lemnol je ka green ñame itara da la do ta ji la wo ñam afa ñu ne sabu
mo sa
jarankaya no ne sabu drip irrigation de beja
okay
so wala da diaspora molu mo din sa ma ko no pour ala gadi no lo ngam fambo yen kumande because ibe tu abdu iko gadi no be buluja wara fenteje ni saydana ibe kala nyaadi
bu ko fentra yi
hani ni saydana ibe disappoint le
you will be disappointed wo mo e ka fole ko
eventually ibe murra bakle you know but nin ñul be bulu ila ko be set up ta ina ra wado wad ika continue la konta sifa
ko hande di nim fula sabal so rek
Yeah.
wol binala ya jibam within 1 hour ila pompon so
Yeah. that's it so ñul ka dinne
So
click
sad.
continuously
continuously wala na lemna ding wo lemna ding bija if ni ya jibe fo sa lemno jaxon
because jela bare mo na rajande me yalla nga yalla mo jawal gambia nolu master degree tiyo diploma tiyo ka fanya di expert so kon expert siata jam bake mo na rajane me alon ka kamu expert la kon ka kan ni jiba ni me jibo to bete yalan ka muna sabu akonye ko yalan dio betam de tanin tan ka mar nyenyen ka gadin jelle be bula ko gadin table ka yiri jelle you table ka you cannot advise me. I only listen to people who are ahead of me. Mbe menkeka. But nindele be nyat ndebike lama.
Yeah,
No disrespect.
I've been to some of the farms. Dolka Fanyako, the half of the farm, the other half of the orange farm.
Why?
For every rainy season to every rainy season, because they said they want the orange to live long and give them more money.
Let me ask you this. Ninko, you have a choice na 100,000 dealer every year, or every year for 20 years, or na 5 million dealer today. Ebele fle jumal.
5 million.
Muna sabi.
5 million dealer because of
Right away.
Yes, right away. I couldn't kujama wulu.
Or because 100,000 of every year for 20 years, or 5 million of them make lady. For 5 million to kujama can away another 100,000 jama samana. So men look out for tabarakallah. Eh? What do you know me sabat tabal sama?
Because Musa be ko ma de na camera ma do Musa chor.
Yeah.
Ni no mo jimalti
Tanzelo.
atala jambo ka ke komin ko asasa ta
Yo, ha, yeah.
atala ko obatine le
La ilaha illallah. Mtita ka dine fonka. Nina, na do ko lo nyul be ni la ba mbona na loki chan.
ibara ta harvesting na
Di ka do ko lo.
on ko le non ko la len funa ngana nga harvesting ke
Ka ben fo. Na pare da do anytime sinano.
Yes.
Ya je la te me balan. You know.
Yeah.
Nyindo gibe. Ya je ni.
all the time I do on like this all the time bobo watu la tena rek
Loki.
ha
Jamman ke nyomi di jamu jaral.
jama ke nyomi di
Jamu jaral. Am nu jaadu wala mu jand.
ah
Jara kadi kunda.
go jaran kol be moy ke kien kol be moy ka be moy kan de
Nyomi gol.
ha musa ko way na be moy ka
Nya de ke nyinge. Follow. Dio pupa le bija. Nanyim boholo. Asi nyomi jurum lameng esew asi be supply no. Yeah. Yenyi. So but basically na burolu siya batale. So mbi idol bi kala fi kan yemin ila do modulado. So kan nyintu tenne burol kemi.
dawda yalo
Ha, pombi kun tannim fulale be ja. Ha.
Well.
Ha. Yaje. Dawda ni burol kemi nge. Buro jio o importanta. Wala ne da sasa ma wala ni ka je soto. E ka be kula men e be memmin na ala senea. Ila sasa ma fa be kala para le fengala.
asasa ka
Hanin na nyin lamna jambo e kawo be do mo landi o be da de to.
andi ba kundu ka be bulal dula
Everywhere.
abe mo mañol
Yeah.
so ni men the most favorite lem notice dari no kono
Ha.
you're one of the best
You know, do be jana but nyin is good.
wala ñi fanante mbala
Aha, ni ma dimbal. Yeah. Okay, na jay tan dilela.
you see this
Loki jam.
Yeah.
Ni ala indema. Abebe
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, tell lo jam. Gan ning ala indema abebe ala bulu. Bare lemon coin wala lemna kumumbat.
ah lem na
O siaran na jam. Ibe ka kuy foke no kom. Wala ka kuy foke. Nga wala ke jante. Bo ro mo. Nga wala kat. Nga di musolla ya biti. Ye justa ye kulodina o kulonyi nga wala kuy fi jam. So même findi la jan ning atata nyam.
jol ñi yo tale ya wafi pour ye famu ala yes
Yeah. Wala mo men nga kadi jana di nyimbe kile.
walde ngal lañu
Ha
Wala
ani nyimbe kile ha. Bari
Mandarino la.
Ha mandarino. Nyimu wara ma ba mandarino sifa palenciata.
ah ñama sifa ba do
Nyimu sifa sala mandarino total almost 4 to 5. Yes. Ha. Yeah, nyim amang jeso to back because ila cold tamira bari.
barara
A month,
jusanansa is
2 months ago, Nina Rajang, Iba over enjoy lan. Yeah,
mbal 2 months ago
2 months ago, Iba over enjoy lan. Yun never know made a din back.
mais la ñi lem na kunko mbita dal lem na kunku jamal le to nak ala yalo
Yeah.
bay ñi no woyente ñabole
Yeah, of course.
so gambia ngal o jal be na jang mu mena nga na jang
Yana Al Mariam fan.
and ngana Almarians farm we learn, we study,
Yeah.
and then also nga make sure nga invest,
Yeah.
nga make sure nga lemnol sanga bulu, nga kuifo sanga bulu, you know, because
Yeah,
ala
bulol
dream
sang.
mumunti amanka fongoti.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ala dream mumunti puru ka Gambia balundi, ka Gambia la funding kel boy sol, ake be aba batata bonde bolo nyameng, anin ka fuaria bay ka kenken ka boy bala, anin ka fankamaya kamane ka means to ka bad mind bondi bala ka good mind kamane ka, because we have the mindset that Africa is poor and truly we can make it in Africa, because Africans are making it in Africa. You
Look
know,
it.
we the Africans can make Africa to be great.
Look, if Africa is poor, munana Lebanon sol beja. Munana tuwabol beja. Mana tuwabol bina kan na wari. Accra alone, Ghana, Accra alone, Mbaji Bekam, African American, 100,000 revenue in a forum.
100,000 black British.
And Americans, will be Ghana la capital of drone in a forum. Ngaji YouTube le ba foka.
Yeah, Ghanaian Jamal Biye, but
Okay.
America,
Ning Africa porta. Will be naba. Why? Tuwabol bina ka wari wat? Mampo na mind na mentality wala mpon.
So if na try ka upload fanang fi Gambia kono upload fanang fi miyalongo boba na mindset la ka wuli jam andum ka paluwa to ba kele jam.
Ndama wol ke barin kaf nyoma akele. Abraham Cole wa akele.
Yes.
Nde na place ni yaje nyame unlimited.
Yeah.
Na tan nun nan nyomi gadi no man problem solo. Wol be be tar regel. Ban nan place ni limited. Bari place do alhamdulillah be mbulu mawda fi folo. Ban ni ngawdati ibe ku jamaale fanan jelaw.
Inshallah.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah.
Gadi
Gadi keno.
back. So nyana last part yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, nyim kuy fo pour kay dal sorry.
Okay.
Really quick.
Okay.
Nyim kuy fo men be jande. Le fonko le mon coil bodo mo ni.
Ah.
Different level coil bodo mo. Ngawle ki muso la bri ya squeeze. Ya pulodin. Ngawle fi jante. Approximately anything like 15-20,000 si finti no jan.
Mashallah.
Bodo mo wonde dina. Bodo mo. O kulo wala be jam. Moma la membe kala bari. Ala lalo membe finti la jam. Lain ngol le be jam.
Sata fojana. Waaye dañ ni ba fi lay man kulul fanang contact ci jël bi je.
Ibe ka continue. E ka fenne kondi men do at. Bal men ngobat. Ibe ka continue.
Dem no jiba ni ka ndok ngola dem no apalo be mun
Yeah,
of course.
Nin dara bungo no ibe lemon kulo jela
ba juruma rek.
Ah.
Mashallah.
Yeah. Yamu gambela.
Ko ka da fojana be la jibonda.
Ha. Nyimu gambela gadi nolti, nyimman kentela gadi nolti.
Gambia gadi no
Ha. Kaya muta wala kanko. How best is you ma ko ina. Lagi chay moda mo kilim ka fenso do fay. So ya de na lamna lamon ko kulo men beje. Wala bina kala jam. Ila nala tinna manja dada.
Yes, ko e bodo do ko wala.
Ha, phone sa stop
Tabring ya call.
pay attention.
Yeah.
So mina wala kala samay bata na jambe dada. Na ka ku. So in 2 months time ning a wulga ba bondi la ngate musoko.
Mbusor fana leta dinga ba do si.
Yes.
Alyaji.
Ha. Na jindi jambe be kala wol.
Ka fojana.
Ha.
Okay, wala na dem na bulu dol tala.
Ha. Hani ñin lemu na dobe boyl. Ñin bebe ñin jambe be talala. All the way jana. Ñin be bolaji. Ñin bebe kala kuy ko all the way.
Fojana.
Ha. So nama kunja.
Ya me man la fi 1 million or 2 million dem na jol le
Hani at the moment this year 25,000.
25.
Yeah. Different from ni 7,000 on the ni ala.
Yes. So last final message question on laf ke ñini kamuna. Wo mbo kala finally somewhere wo manda do ngata ngotan ligal la.
Ha.
They are-
Men diar o man da
Ha,
diar.
ha, ha.
Afel
Ah okay, da nga lol ko ma ñan.
hani afel.
Okay.
Allah ki jall me ku kuma ken fan foye. Gambe di wol men be dash pare kane batu foye sayna na ko that.
Ngena ko mas.
Hani e kana o. Adati before be sayla na. Abe je correct la. Ibe sunya la janne ibe kid la jana auto bayla. Bar nya da before be sayla na. Aka menke ni nada e ka ala farani. but nina de ko ba start la fresh abika easy
bakata jele ya commencé
yo wanan tol jara na musol ni da faro do da fenka e ka fo na sunguri no le tabiro kuma ci janni bina ni na do pakat akabang juna
kata de pare
yo
so ni femen din nata jang mix to na fo jang yenyi nen ita la ko fundi gad no ko
hali ni la muso so ngara ni nyi ndia
ha
aka si balal
ku ya banta bro wata nyindo ala kuy fo mbajana la sala
okay no problem jawa
mala pin na muso ku ya
no problem absolutely
yes
ni do gine ni mo ka
right
yeah actually
Mandarin. Yeah.
Yes.
So femen na intra
afuga meno le pia fanam fi
avocado.
Avocado pia.
That is good.
Pia nana rakodo la pia bodo kilo 7,000. Sa nim pia ju tambebul. Ala yedi ma wolbe din. Ye bodo mu wan sotoji. O mela mano to foto ba.
Ala mano to foto.
Amela sukro to foto ba.
6 months.
Yeah.
6 months.
7,000.
Nara 7,000.
7,000.
I had 6 months.
That's 20.
That's why 20. I had 6 months de paso go wala.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kaya din wala karamun dil pangojo.
Yeah. Yeah. That's that's 14,000.
So muna bakelela kumala bangoti for the viewers and everybody out there viewing us, straight Dauda dunia tongko nano to konka fale nyame rek. I'll drop his number right here and then talk to him live and direct if you want to buy the whole farm or you want to invest somewhere or you want to make a joint business. You can simply contact him. I can simply say he's among the best in the country out of the rest. So can you inspire the others out?
Well, I will say it in English and I will say it in Mandinga.
Yeah.
First, my name is Baba Sedikan, commonly known as Baba Almam Mariam. Personally, I believe in one thing is home is home.
Home is home. Yeah.
Home is home.
It's the best of it.
Do what you can do for your people, not what your people can do for you. I have that slogan, meaning that let's try the best to do something for our country. By doing for our country, we do for ourselves.
Yes, that's right.
Okay? The reason why everybody is talking about Sadio Mane, what did he do?
Hard work and determination.
Exactly. Sadio came from a very rural area.
Yes.
So any of us, we can do the same thing.
Bambali. Is it Bambali? Yeah.
Bambali, yeah,
of course.
But yeah, Sadio Mane, yesterday his name is all over the world.
All over the world.
All over
Okay. So we Gambians too, we have to do our best and contribute to our society. Nobody is going to help Gambia. It's we who is going to build Gambia. No foreigner will ever build your country. No. You will build your country. The citizens will build the country. So it is important, anybody in diaspora, Europe or America or Asia, please come and invest here. I do know that sometimes a lot of our investment people will steal, they will cheat us, they will lie to us. That's part of it. Okay? No business start straight. No business. You will have hurdles, problems. But let's try by all means, we Gambians, come back home. The people who can come back home. The people who cannot come, always think about back home. It's very, very important.
Very important.
Yes. So meme fo kan to account mina fola man account o min ko nteto baba Sedikan ka fanya Baba Almam Mariam na fam to mu Al Mariam family mo mo ndimbe diaspora in need to help la famine isin kumandino ngado londingo men sotoje mbe mako la je mo mo ndinnam fo sulata lan la banka lan wa fo ka gadin keno nke wafi ko da keno nke wafi fo sulata burol la bank fo sulata kamol lembang fo sulata lemunol lembang mo mo ndi sulata fennante simen keno si ba ko no men lillahi alay debe mako la wala ha nga consultant fananke comme yembula kula mbite la gali no be kul kala je no as long as na cruson be dila o man kam to bala problem nde sayta nan pour diaspora la problemo ndebe lori woldar suto tilo
It will solve come.
ha suto tilo ndebe lori woldar na telefono ko kolla all the time nin telefono be mbul jante interview kenon all the time.
I
The
know.
little knowledge I have.
That ninka video stand da fan koyo kole
Yeah.
uncle. Ila funo nga jam fande.
No, ngalo.
Because I do it silence.
Yeah.
If not, we will not gonna
Non te
continue
kuke no.
this. Yes.
Yeah. So momo la nimbe tuwa du. Nde malon foibe basele bang fobe bari bule bang ila gadi no be daw landing niembula do kola mbe wacci lamba ko.
Bita faje ba.
Bita ba jibela fo e nyanta men kala je because ndala do la gadi no jiba mam me bake. Atela mole men fay woni membe je amankili. Fo ala gadi na ko njiko bar kana video ita ndal nka hani de ndema video ita ndal video ka ita ndal ndema ke bar video men be men wala ka ita ndal membe keri fo fenda man do ko men kiji the guy I men ko do men spend jay salat malafi mo be o mistake sifak ha ani me gambe di ngol tentula mbe jayila yibe support men ke kan kabo burol sannan bang kada lemunol lembang ka consultancy men dinna nga ala tentu nye tentu loki chal nye fanan tentu lillahi alay channel nyin alinga gambe di wala alinga support
Yes.
alinga support because nyim mum fangola molet amum fangola molet nyim manke BBC ti amanke CNN
Yes.
so fangola molem ndolla BBC ni na CNN wala mu nyinalti
Wala lucky child. Yes.
That's true.
Definitely.
yeah
So stay tuned and focus. We are the eye of the
anna
Gambia.
gadi no be madia dai siwolo jabu madia
Jamu madianal team.
Yeah.
So ni lafka dia long.
Yeah.
Fesa du nyinga di no kono.
Yeah.
Gambela dia ni lafka long. Fesa du madiana kono.
Yeah.
Gambela dia. Kuyati jam fang.
Yeah.
As far as life is concerned. But one question, yeah. What is life without agriculture?
ngo birim bada arjana agriculture follow that
From Arjana for dunia. So I'm not sure.
hey next time give na ya fanye nga buro fe nga buro fa bolien
You know, you're from your I wanna cook for you.
Yeah.
I say, uncle,
Yeah.
I'm coming for video straight.
Yeah.
Because ntenga mumbela gadi no
Yeah.
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 Wenda fonga nyako. Yenda kolle for America.
Yeah.
Because kununga video le dundi miyalan ko it's all about agriculture.
Yeah.
Be 6 o'clock fonga nyanda ka video bla miyalan ko for agriculture.
Yeah.
But more video jibere kan call direct la ko nyako elef ko fellong agriculture don kay ko ha. Ako you want to see one of the best orange farmer in the country kay ko ha. Ako nyaka ba mix fa amina ni dunda je. Instead of 1 hour but 3 hours like leja and to nyalande baro 3 hours ngole ke jam. I'm telling you.
Next time we be tinya na jana bol kana jana ka tinya jana.
Yes, definitely.
I cook for them. Kasi all I want in life now is in Maurice ma ko do nyabe gasi idea is king.
Socialize.
Bala fale mako ya. Na Gambian tank bake.
Ha.
Especially Gambian dole bot nang Angleterre kunun le landa Gambia.
Ha.
O kunun ila fakanje.
Yeah.
Mumuna problem moti kabo YouTube in kabra commence ta fo bi.
Yeah.
Yole samanya na. Ni ndongo bon nan Denmark.
Ha.
Je dafe.
Ha.
Do fana bon nan Angleterre rol mun kopulol leti.
Ha.
E konkane to mention media to.
Ha.
Fale rek prier mako ye doyen.
Ha.
Ye drono kambanya na.
Wow.
It's one of my
Challenges.
Canberra kampanye na muyalanko. I never see it none of Gambian YouTuber.
Yes.
Nka je YouTuber balela Wude Maya. You know Wude Maya?
What if I yeah.
Yes. Nka o camera je Wude Maya nyon lebulu. Alhamdulillah mumuna dream tinung.
Ha.
Nyant na kombuka video push comme Allah taala nyame.
Ha.
O problème o sa mantra kono.
Okay.
Sa sam mol mako e.
Jadi bedua kala do loki madu nga nyum foy.
Ha?
Yalla comme back to nga men foy nu. Ni man beginning ke wolte o kala.
Definitely.
Il faut les femmes makoy. Ala na te makoy.
That's true.
Gambe di ngol fonsi ñina understand. Fendete kedi melon ko akolere ñaw ñala ni ne fam makoy la abe kelal.
Definitely.
So me congratulate la.
Yes.
Ye difficult road mental. As time goes on, ila road be easy la nyama. E ka wodi ma men foten. Mol ka kolle ka men di ala nte hanila moya. Bari bila dari fana ay problem mo men soro. Wole o sabuna.
Wolle be sabu.
Ndela ngari no 4 years ago 4 years mo na ranjanne nga wa fama ndol tara shokono wato mota sirin jam ina ra ngari no be kati ya be la sunya
Wato moti jam.
ha
Wo beba dawa challenges le kono.
challenges lam actually ni man challenge soro ita grow la
You never go.
no so many years so nyinna ngani yo kam medwale alma Allah taala e jo alma Allah taala e sura alma Allah taala e kan amin gadda rasul holomo
amin Allah
ya ke men kama pour que samba nyato alma Allah taala e okay andu to fanan ibita nyato because munam ila passion ne munyin yeah likely and you are doing something good for the community for the Gambia all Gambia
general Gambia
everywhere
yes thank
so
you very
baraka
much
bake
Allah baraka bake and thank you very much for viewing us and then fengo fen subscribe da fen dia like fen dia fen kamana to abudu ka fo ila do ko la fa al beba katakanne allo kato na la subscribe on la comment or kat nanda fana ba move come further the more you subscribe the more you're going to see more greater farmers in the Gambia saying dande ka fo sanji saba wala fula na establish ta dawo da mbitaji mbatar lajin na baka cha
baraka inshallah baraka stay tuned